Hi, everyone. We have some exciting news for all our drop quote puzzle tool users. We've just added 3 fantastic new features based on your feedback, and I know you're going to love them. The first new feature is the ability to wrap words across lines. This means you can now split words between 2 lines, adding an extra level of challenge to your puzzles. To enable this feature, simply check the box next to Wrap Words Across Lines in the Puzzle Settings tab. The next feature is the ability to include punctuation in your puzzles. Now, punctuation marks like quotes, commas, and periods will appear inside the puzzle. To use this feature, click the box next to Include Punctuation and Puzzle in the Puzzle Settings tab. The third feature is the option to start letters at the top of the grid instead of the bottom. To activate this, check the box next to Start Letters at top in the Puzzle Settings tab. We hope these new features help you create even better drop quote puzzle books and achieve greater success with your puzzle book business. If you have any questions about these new features or suggestions for future updates, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tools and features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.